After a 40-minute drive south from Da Nang, we have made it to Hoi An, you guys. This is a small historic town, and as you probably saw from the vibe as we were getting here, it is such a charming place. A lot of people just do day trips here from Da Nang, but my brothers have been here and they were like, no, you need to stay here, and so we're gonna be here for the next 3 days. But this is our accommodation for the next 2 nights. We're staying at a place called Aloha Homestay, and it is quite honestly the cutest guest house type of vibe. But this is my room. If you walk past the hallway, there's a bathroom, and this over here is my parents' room. So we kind of got like a share situation going on, but the key I didn't really realize is the location of this place. We are right on the edge of the old town, so it's a perfect spot to kind of start and just start walking down. So let's head downstairs. So we are staying right here in the heart of Hoi An, and it's called the Ancient Town. It's actually a UNESCO World Heritage Site, which is so cool. It's so evident in like the old yellow buildings that you can walk past. It's lined with these streets. It's so nice. Feels like you've transformed into another world. There's so much character. I love it. But we're gonna walk down. I love how pedestrian friendly it is, as you can see. So walking friendly. We're gonna go walk down the street and find a place to have some lunch. The streets are just lined up with shops, restaurants, arts and crafts, one after the other.
Oh, here, which one is better?
And we've made it to the river, guys. This is definitely the highlight, which you will see later today. Alright, for lunchtime we are heading up here to Hoi An. I believe it's a rooftop like kitchen and cafe, so let's go see it. Guys, how cool is the view from this rooftop cafe? You go through like the ceramic store, upstairs is the restaurant, which is more indoor seating, and then you come up to the 3rd floor on the rooftop and you just get a really good view of all like the olden roofs, which is quintessential Hoi An. Oh, I am full now, guys. That was a great feed, and this place is so nice. It's actually very peaceful. I was expecting it to be much more busier than what it is. We pretty much have this rooftop to ourselves, so that was nice. The plan for this vlog, guys, is to obviously explore the ancient area. There is another side of Hoi An, which is more east. It's like beaches and rice fields and things like that, which I think we'll explore in next week's vlog. So I'm gonna split this into 2, but just know this vlog is mainly the ancient town. Alright guys, it's just me now, and since it's day 1 in Hoi An, there is something that we must imminently do today, and that is go to a tailor. So getting your clothes custom made in Hoi An is like one of the biggest things to do here. They're actually very much known for it. If you walk down the stores, you'll just see tailor after tailor. Apparently they used to trade fabrics here, and there's just generations of really good tailors here in Hoi An, and so I want to experience that. It's a whole process though. You have to like map out what you want, come back the next day, do some fittings, and then hopefully by the end of this trip I'll be able to show you guys some custom pieces that we come up with. So let's go to a tailor. Guys, we are getting some Mot Tea, which is a famous herbal drink here in Hoi An. Those are bees, and I'm pretty sure the bees are intentional. And I can definitely taste the honey. Yum. Alright guys, we are at Banh Tailors, as you can see up here. I saw online that they do these really cool denim pieces, and so that's why I decided to choose this tailor.
Here on button also the same, and one outside and something can design internet, and design different. That one Alright guys, I just spoke to some tailors. I didn't order anything just yet because I'm going to sleep on it, which is fine in terms of timing because they said if I order tomorrow they'll still be able to make it within 24 to 48 hours. Isn't that so insane? But the reason why I'm hesitating is because the prices are up there, so just FYI if you're planning to get anything tailored in Vietnam. I was getting quoted, lowest was 800,000 Vietnamese dong, up to 3 million for a dress. So see, I'm thinking of getting at least one thing tailor-made, but that's for tomorrow. Right now the sun is going to set, so I'm going to grab my parents and we're going to head to the river.
It is around 4:30 p.m. The sun is slowly setting and this area by the river is so busy. We're going to be riding the boats later tonight. It's also New Year's Eve for us, so happy New Year's. But yeah, we're going to be riding the boat. I wanted to do it at night time though, so we can see all the lanterns lit up. But yeah, we're going to find a spot to eat dinner while we wait. Guys, we have come to a rooftop restaurant by the river so we can get a nice view of the boats riding past and the sunset. We're leaving the restaurant and we're now gonna go on the boats. I'm so excited. I got some tickets off of Klook, so we just have to pick it up at the ticket office and then I think they'll take us to the boat. Alright guys, our boat is arriving right there. It's a bit of an organized chaos getting on the boats, but we're on the boat, on the boat, on the boat. Scary! Scary, Dad said. Good morning everyone. Town. We're having breakfast at our homestay. It's day 2 in Hoi An. Let's see what we get up to today. I do have a lantern making class booked, so I think that's where we're starting off. My parents and I just did a secret mission, which I won't be able to show you maybe for like another 2 years. We're just in the outskirts of Hoi An, and anyways, we're gonna go to our lantern making class. As you guys saw yesterday, all the beautiful lanterns, and today we're gonna make one. Alright, so we've chosen the express class, which means they make it for you. But you can do a full class where you can actually make the full bamboo and make the lamp yourselves. But we got pre-made and we're just gonna put the fabric on top. So let's choose some fabrics. These are the colors I chose. So one lamp is gonna be this kind of white and gold, and then the other lamp is gonna be this blue one. Alright, we are taking these home now. The good thing about it is that they actually fold up, so we're going to fold it and pack it away, and then let's grab some lunch. Okay, this is the Banh Mi Queen. It is very popular, as you can see. Alright, we've got the banh mi, this is pork, and this is chicken. So let's try it. Oh yes, so fresh. Yummy, huh? Nothing beats that baguette. They freshly brought it in like this huge basket. There's like hundreds of breads. And this is it. If you're allergic to peanuts like me, just know that there are like traces. I can kind of taste it, but I'm not anaphylactic, so I can just finish eating this little part. Anyways, guys, we are just chilling here. We actually have a massage booked at a place called Serene Spa, the garden branch, but that's in an hour. I'm actually gonna see if I can go to a tailor quickly. So I think I've decided I'm gonna just do one set for the experience. By the way, if you can see those little, I don't know what they are, shuttle buses, they can help you get around. I don't know how much they are, but the grabs themselves can only take you on the outskirts of the ancient town, since the ancient town is like mainly just pedestrians. So just FYI in terms of how to get around. But I'll just change the I'll change the front to like a bow.
Okay.
Yeah.
You want to do the bow for you, right?
Yes, please. These are the colors. Should I go more blue? I might go more blue. Alright, we were in and out so quickly, literally 30 minutes. They did my measurements. I'm getting a denim set and I just tweaked a little bit of things, but altogether the set is 2.8 million Vietnamese dong, which is around 160 Aussie dollars, but it is custom made. The biggest tip is to make sure you know what you want, like come in with pictures, tell them exactly how you want it changed and how you want it fixed, because they're really quick. I'm gonna come back tomorrow for my first fitting, but for now, let's head back to my parents and we're gonna get some massages. I actually booked us a like hair treatment type of spa experience with a small massage as well as a facial. We're all done with our treatment. It was actually so relaxing. There was a facial and everything, which I loved the most. But they even did a full head spa experience and then dried our hair. So nice. Let's go walk around the town. It is so busy now as the sun slowly goes down. We've just come across Uncle Huan's and I saw that they do really famous coffees, so we're gonna grab some. Okay, we just ordered some takeaway. It's super busy, so they said the wait was gonna be 15 minutes. You'll see why. You'll see why. And this is the coffee. Look how pretty the art is. This is why this is so popular. I wonder if it tastes just as good. Mum's got the salted one. Mix it. Oh no, the pretty artwork. Oh, it's thick. Okay, try it. And I've got the egg one. This one's hot. Egg coffee. I wonder what that tastes like. Anong lasa? Strong? Ooh, the salted one is so good. So I ordered a traditional dish here in Hoi An called khao lao. I've been excited to try it and I'm really hungry, so this is the khao lao. It's got slices of pork with some thick yellow noodles and some herbs with a sauce. So let's dig in. Mmm. Try it, Dad.
Sauteed it with some bacon and onions. Or adding in a croaker-based fish broth.
Good morning, you guys. It is day 3 in Hoi An and we're checking out of this accommodation, which has been actually such a lovely stay. I think the location is quite perfect. It's still in the ancient town. It's a few minute walk to like the main area of the river. It's also next to like the drop-off zone for grabs if you want to go elsewhere, and it's just a good place to start walking down from. And it's on the main street, but it's on a quiet part of that main street, so you kind of get the best of everything. I've really enjoyed it. It's so cute and the hosts have been been really lovely to us. But yes, we are checking out. I don't think I did a proper room tour, so let me just quickly do that before we leave. So this is the view from my room, as you can see, definitely a highlight. And then this is my room. It's called the paper flower room. And the roof, as you can see, it's got the old characteristics, and one thing about that though is there may be some leakage. Like I got a little bit of moisture on my bed, but I honestly didn't mind at all. And as you can see here, we've got a shower as well as a toilet, which you share with the person next door. And then as you exit, there's the hallway back to my room, and there's another room there. You go downstairs into the family room. And then, as you can see, there's these two bathy thingies and a courtyard. And as you head straight down that door, you will reach the restaurant, which is where we have breakfast, and it's got a nice outdoor seating area facing the street. Anyways guys, like I said, we are checking out of this accommodation today and we are moving. We're going to explore another part of Hoi An, and that's around just 10 minutes away. So I'll show you guys that all in next week's video. But in the meantime, the last thing we need to do in this vlog is to check out how our tailoring went. So I will see you guys at the fitting. Yes, thank you so much. Thiệt chứ, số súng chị mang cái chồng anh tới nơi rồi đó.
Mình chăm trước mình cho qua đây mà xử lý cho mình giùm, không đâu. Hôm qua bà nuốt trên đó kêu đồ chi sữa mà hạn 9 giờ.
Alright guys, I got my tailored fit, which I will try on for you after. Today is the third day. So the first day was your order. Second day you try your first fitting and recommend any fixes. And then the third day they fix everything and you can finally take it home. So I think 3 days is the perfect amount of time to get something custom tailor-made.